So we made this panel in the last video, this whole plate one. I'm gonna today, because we've got to get this inner sill out, I'm gonna replace all this inner sill from there all the way along here. So I'm gonna just probably cut across here just to free this panel off, and then cut this one right out, make the new one of those underneath before I can put the new panel in. So I'll do that now. I'm going to try and get as much as I can on film drilling the spot welds out, but it's quite difficult to record in here because it's bars in the way. But yeah, we'll go from there. So this is how it come out really nice actually, really good. So I'm going to go around the other side, get the panel and start making the new one. So took all this metal off here, that's the panel, that's the floor panel part, what goes onto the inner sill. So I'm going to make this, I don't know if you can just see that, but there's some little dips here, go along here. And obviously down here you can just see the little curves in. Probably see it better from the other side, as you can probably see it there. Look. So it does actually curve quite a bit there, as you can see. So what I'm going to try and do is try and make it as best I can. But I think it might be a little bit of a mission, but I'm going to give it a go. Probably going to get that shape. I'll probably have to cut it there, fold it down a bit, and then tack weld it in, tack weld it up, and then and there's another dip there, so you can see. So yeah, we'll give it a go. So that's what we do now. So I got pretty bored of rubbing down, grinding all the welds off, and yeah, I thought the video was going to get quite long, so I thought I'd just crack on with this bit and smooth this off. So this is the best I've got it. It's got this little bit here. It's not quite the same. It's got a little, you know, I'm not too worried about it. I mean, as long as it's completely compatible size wise and bits on the treat, as you can see. Bits on the lovely that. I've got to do this bit at the end when I'm putting it on. Put this little bit of this little dimple bit in. But I'll do that as I'm putting on the car. I've got the as you can probably see on that one down that side, you can, it's got a little bit of a, as you can see down there. So yeah, it's got a little bit in dip goes inside. So I'm gonna get this in primer now and I'm gonna get it fitted on. And then obviously tidy up my garage at the same time because it's a bit of a mess. So I managed to clamp it all in place now. I've maybe messed about with this a little bit, but I put a little bit of this little dimple in there to go with this. I'm not sure how I'm going to try and put up the other side because I can't get hand through there. Probably taking my fingers off, but we'll give it a go. But I'm going to spot weld all this in now and get all this bit. I'll probably get this bit done first. Put a spot weld in here first, hold it in place, then tap it all in and go for it. So let's go. Right, really pleased with the inner seal. I'm not going to lie, it was pretty tricky to make the panel, but we got there. It's all shaped up nicely. It's all on. In the next video, I'll just show a little bit of me sanding a bit of it down and getting it all nice and tidy, and then I'll start putting the floor panel I made on the previous video. Get that all done nice, and then I can flip it back over and then put the chassis I made probably 7 videos ago. So that's all ready to go on after, and I'll get the brackets on and we're getting there. But like I said before, thank you for comments, like and share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and get yourself involved, and I'll see you next time.